Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer money to a Visa gift card in 2025. With advancements in digital banking, this process has become more streamlined than ever, but it's still important to get the steps right to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is a Visa gift card? It's a prepaid card loaded with a specific amount of money, perfect for gifts, online shopping, or budgeting. In 2025, many Visa gift cards are now reloadable, thanks to updates from card issuers like Visa and their partners. But remember, not all cards support transfers, so start by checking yours. Flip it over or log into the issuer's app to confirm if it's reloadable. Step 1. Download the official app for your Visa gift card provider. Think of apps from brands like Visa, MasterCard, or specific banks. These apps have been upgraded with AI features to make transfers seamless. Once you're in, create or log into your account. This is where 2025's tech shines. Biometric logins like facial recognition keep things secure. Next, link your funding source. This could be your bank account, PayPal, or even a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Wallet. In the app, go to the Add Funds section and select your linked account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any fees, as they can vary from 1% to 5% depending on the provider. Now, for the fun part, initiate the transfer. Hit that Transfer button, and in most cases, the money will appear on your card almost instantly, thanks to blockchain-based systems rolling out this year. Double-check the transaction details to ensure everything's accurate. A few pro tips. Always use secure networks to avoid fraud, and keep records of your transfers for tax purposes. If you're transferring large amounts, verify daily limits with your card issuer. There you have it. Transferring money to your Visa gift card in 2025 is quick and convenient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.